Today we practice LST mapping using QGIS. First of all, LST mapping we need the SCP plugin. So install the plugin. Okay, now we start. First of all, see here the interface SCP and click the SCP. Next pre-processing. Next Landsat. Click the Landsat. And here open the directory containing Landsat bands and select MTL file. So first of all we need to add the Landsat bands. Then go to the Landsat band. So select directory file. Click here. Then go to the folder and select the Landsat. Select the Landsat folder. Select folder. Okay. Next select MTL file. Go to this box and select the MTL file. Open it. So every Landsat different bands required for LST mapping. For Landsat 8 we need the thermal band 10. Click this brightness temperature in Celsius. Okay. Now select this all band and uncheck the band 10. Okay. Now uncheck only band 10 and remove others band. For example, band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Okay. Then go to this minus sign, matlab delete raw. Click here and yes. Okay. तो here only remain band 10. Then band 10 का रेडियंस वैल्यू है, रेडियंस मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ही है, कैवी भी है. See this constant 1, constant 2 and run it. Then select the folder. Then I select this folder. Then run this. Now I can say this value highest and lowest. After this, minimize to folder and open the QGIS. Add here these bands which one we save in QGIS using QGIS. So go to the folder where save it. We save this folder. Shift back to this file, then RT, then edit. Now I add here area of interest, matlab which area I want to calculate the LST value. Then add the shape file here, area of interest. Add data. Go to the shape file. I add here shape file. and clip this file. Input raster RT file, then output extends area of interest, then use this file input geometry and output raster save on folder. Okay, then remove this file RT, then this also save file and send the name. Okay, come up LST, apply. Okay, then change the color, go to the properties, symbology, then change the color. I set this color first of all. Okay, check it. Electricity vegetation को आवाज आ रहा. And this way we make the LST and change the value also. For example, you need to classify, then you can sense it. You need the ranges, for example, you need the ranges high, low, medium, then the classes, for example, for classes, then levels, format level, then go to the this is to apply. And you can change your color also. Suppose you need this color, change this it. No need this color, then change it. For example, you need it. Okay, I think this is the okay. Now then you can change it ranges also. Need to classify ranges. For example, 2 range, 4 range, 3 range, this type. Okay. Now thank you.